Standard 3, Subject Mathematics, Topic Coins and Currency. In the last video, we have learnt to add the coins and currency notes and to find their values. Let us revise that first. We see here that there are 3 10 rupees notes and 1 5 rupees notes. So let us add them. 10 plus 10 we get 20, 20 plus 10 we get 30, 30 plus 5 we get 35 rupees. So the total value of these notes is 35 rupees. Here we see that there is a 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 2 rupees coin. Let us add them together. 50 plus 20 we get 70. 70 plus 2 we get 72 rupees. So the total value here is 72 rupees. Now let us learn to calculate same amount in many different ways using different currency values. Raju has 2 notes. Their total value is rupees 100. Riya has rupees 100. She has 4 notes. How can that be? In this question, we see that Raju has 100 rupees and Riya also has 100 rupees. But Raju has 2 notes whereas Riya has 4 notes. Let us see how can this be. Raju has 100 rupees and he has 2 notes. So let us take 50 rupees notes and find the total value. If we take 250 rupees note, we get 50 plus 50 we get 100 rupees. Now let us see the notes with Riya. Riya has 4 notes. Riya has 50 rupees, 150 rupees, 120 rupees, one more 20 rupees and 110 rupees. Let us add them together. 50 plus 20 we get 70. 70 plus 20 is 90. 90 plus 10 is 100. So when we add all the 4 notes together, we get 100 rupees. So in this way, Riya also has 100 rupees. In this way, we see that Riya and Raju both have 100 rupees, but Raju has 250 rupees notes, whereas Riya has 150 rupees, 220 rupees and 110 rupees note. Let us see one more example. Tony has 3 notes. Their value is 75 rupees. Salma has 75 rupees, but she has 5 notes. So let us see the notes with Tony now. Tony has 3 notes. So 150 rupees, 120 rupees and 5 rupees. 50 plus 20 we get 70. 70 plus 5 we get 75 rupees. So total value here is 75 rupees. Now let us see the notes with Salma. Salma has 5 notes. So 3 20 rupees notes Salma has. Salma has 3 20 rupees notes, 1 10 rupees note, 1 5 rupees note. So let us add all of them together. 20 plus 20 we get 40. 40 plus 20 60. 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 5 75. So when we add all the 5 notes together, we get 75 rupees. In this way, we see that Tony and Salma both have 75 rupees. Tony has 3 notes, whereas Salma has 4 notes. But both of them have the same value, that is 75 rupees. Children, this is page 45 of your workbook. Question number 3. Let us add these notes. 50 plus 20, we get 70. 70 plus 5, we get 75 rupees. Next question. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. So here also we have 75 rupees. Can we give rupees 170 using 4 notes of various types? In this question we see that we have to give 170 rupees using 4 notes. So let us see which notes to use to make rupees 170 rupees. We take 100 rupees, then we take 150 rupees, we get 150. We need 2 more notes. So let us take 10 rupees and one more 10 rupees. So let us add all of them together. 100 rupees plus 50 rupees, we get 150. 150 plus 10, we get 160. 160 plus 10, we get 170. This is how we got 170 rupees using 4 currency notes. Let us see one more method of giving 170 rupees using different currency notes. So first we take 50 rupees. Next, one more 50 rupees we take. One more 50 rupees. Then we take 20 rupees. So let us add all of them together. 50 plus 50 we get 100. 100 plus 50 we get 150. 150 plus 20 we get 170. So in this way we get 170 rupees using 4 different currency notes. So here we come to the end of this topic. Children, complete page 44 and 45 of your math workbook.